walking down the street when a fucking prostitute pushed me to the ground, cut off my eye and balls. So now every time I'm dropping my pants on for the ladies, they throw up and run away. So I live in this big ass city, and I work for the fucking Yakuza too. And so to make up money, I sold my fucking kidney. I gouged out my eye and sold that. Also I sold one of my balls, so I can get money, and that didn't really work out. So now I have no bitches and no ball sack. Where was my missing ball sack? Okay, I need to kill this thing. Oh shit! What the fuck? Okay, so I killed that thing. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so I killed this. Also, can I have my balls back? Good job, young man. I appreciate that very, very much. Also, if you want to pay to get down here and let me clap your cheeks. What the fuck is that thing?
Creepy.
Why you keep making me do this labor? Like, what the fuck? Or am I gonna get my ball sack back? Please.
Do you know where I can find another ball sack? I stole it from this one guy, but I didn't make that much money because it was small.
Hey! Hey! Hey, look at me over here! Hey, yeah! Hey, I'll give you like $20 if you swallow this like it's a dick. Where? Really? Hold on. Give me that. Down the hatch. Hey! Hey! What's up? I'll pay you $100 to eat the cigarette. Wait! Wait! Really? Yes! Gulp! I rubbed my dick on it. Yeah, like, to be honest, I just wanna be, like, rich. I wanna, like, get, like, bread and shit with you, and I wanna, like, flirt with a girl, like, a really pretty girl, and then I can hug you as we doze off. Sweet, right? Yeah, it's a... Oh, shit! Oh, shit, I got AIDS! Oh, no! Went to this girl's house. She was mad hot with a big ass. It was your mom. I know, I'm so sorry. But she has a... Oh god. Your mom's a whore. This is so romantic, sir. I mean, thank you. Huh? Denji, my boy, I hope you know how much our relationship has grown. You do as well, don't you? Correct? Yeah? I do? Okay, that's good, because you're submissive like a little puppy. And I love puppies. Like, I love puppies. And I love you, Denji. So take this back shot. You're welcome, Denji. You're gay now!
La-da-dee, la-da-da. La-da-dee, la-da-da. What the fuck?
Denji, you know, you've been doing really great when it comes to porn acting, but girls don't find you attractive with you only having 0 balls. So we made a choice. You have to do gay porn acting. Don't fight it! Don't fight it! What the fuck is it? Fujita! You stole my identity! Just what I asked you!
Yes, you're fucking right about that. I'm gonna get so many bitches with your body. They're gonna hate the fact you only have 1 ball. But that really doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna get more bitches than you, Denji, cause no one fucking likes you. Not even me! Yeah!
What the fuck? What are you doing here? Are you okay? I know you fucked my mom. I'm the reason why you have AIDS. Because I am my mom. How dare you? You had this? Yes, eat him up now, my pretties. Devour him! Make sure he doesn't come back, and make sure you leave his ball sack for me. Wait, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that noise? No! Wait! You can be a metal singer! Join Gore! Leave me alone! I'm busting! That's not my eye! I don't want to be like you! Get off me before I bust out of the place! Spider-Man, bitch. Oh, you messed up, motherfucker! I'm gonna... My microphone's all sweaty. No! Stay away! No! Leave me alone! Take this!
Hello?
Don't eat his dick all at once! Save some room for me! Nobody can suck my dick unless they can shove 900 pickles out their arse! What the fuck is that? Kill yourself!
It's muffin time!
Come at me, bitch! Come with me. Please. We're here for you. Don't kill me! Stop! Stop! I said stop! Please, don't kill them! I said don't kill them! What? No, good for you! Yeah! Oh my god! Don't touch me! I'm a woman now! No! I said stop! Don't kill!
Oh, you little scallywag! Is this your work that you murdered all these demons?
Oh, I'm about to bust! Please, grab me!
I got you!
Thank you! I don't like this. This isn't comfortable.
Oh my gosh, it's magic! So, you haven't been possessed, huh?
You guys possessed?
No, it would be clear on his face. I mean, he'd have bust juice all over him. Okay, I'm letting you down. So, you want to come back to my place? You can be my little pet or whatever, and I'll make you food. Oh, look at that. He's dazed. That's wonderful. You little scallywag. Oh my god, that's so romantic. A bunch of dead people. Okay, please answer my question or I'm gonna cry. Please, answer it. Denji, I swear to god, I'm gonna shoot myself. Oh. Hey, I have some guys coming over. You wanna have a foursome? What? No, I need help. Please. I'm about to fall. Here, let me get you. So, what's going on? Oh, they're coming. Why is that happening? Are you okay? Anyways, about that foursome, you sure you don't want to do it? Because we could have some fun at my place tonight. That's some preview right there. I used to be a porn star myself. What are you looking at? Why, surprised that I'm a porn star? I know.